There's Luke, sitting at about 15th place. Nice job. And we got Jordan up in the lead here, way up there. A little more pressure coming down on the left. Here comes my man Luke, 6408. Oh, he might be outside here. Get in there, get in there. Ah, a little outside. Not so good there, Luke. Getting rolled, see, you're getting passed by 1, 2, 3, 4 boats just being on the outside there. Maybe even a 5th boat. This guy gets, he's getting lifted too. You're just sailing deeper and deeper. You gotta get out of there, buddy. Gotta tack out of there right away. Go get there. You got a clear lane too. Now you got people tacking, crossing you. You gotta go even further outside. That's no good. Alright, here's Jordan still in the lead. Starboard tack. Splitting tacks with number 2 and number 3 guys. Going a little bit back over to port tack, go over to the right and cover the next boat, which may actually be crossing him right now. Just have to wait and see. Yeah, it looks like he's got a righty over there. Jordan's lost his lead. And he needs to tack. He's sailing on a header right now. He just needs to get clear and go. He's in clear air right there. Pretty much a drag race on this pup. Looks like he's going to hang on to second okay. But, let's see if we can zoom in. Making everyone seasick, including myself. But it's a drag race. Jordan, I think you've been stalling at times. Tacks are a little rough. This is a time where quality tacks are what pay off in these tight situations. You gotta nail every one or else you can lose up to, you know, anywhere up half a boat length every tack. And probably got 3 boat lengths on you now, at least maybe 3 or 4. So you need to find some sort of righty to come back on before the other guy. Find a righty. Force the guy over on the other tack though.